Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a Chrysler Group certified 2017 Jeep Cherokee Limited with the high altitude package, stock number B9229A. Only 9,000 miles on this one owner, local trade. We sold this Cherokee brand new, Granite Crystal Metallic in color. To be Chrysler Group certified, the vehicle goes through a very strict 125-point inspection, giving you the balance of a 3-year, 36,000-mile bumper-to-bumper and a 7-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. You also receive an additional 3-month, 3,000-mile maximum care coverage. Seats 5 with a leather interior. Split seat back folds down to accommodate longer cargo items. Backup camera. Lots of cargo space in the rear. And of course, very clean, no dents or dings in the body. This high altitude has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, power driver's seat, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel that puts you in that perfect driving position. Oversized moonroof. Large, easy to read gauges. Again, only 9,000 miles with driver information system. Controlled by buttons on the steering wheel. Cruise control.
Cancel.
Large 8.4-inch touchscreen infotainment system for radio. It's also satellite radio capable. You can connect various media devices. Heated seats as well as heated steering wheel. Dual zone automatic temperature control to make sure everyone's comfortable. Navigation. And Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use. Or to connect other Bluetooth-enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. And there's, of course, where the backup camera display is. Hard keys below for the things you use most often. USB and auxiliary input allows you to connect those media devices. 9-speed automatic transmission with manual shift capability and lots of storage space in the armrest. Additional under-seat storage. And a large glove box with all the owner's materials inside. Overhead, auto-dimming mirror, power moonroof, and sunshade control, and HomeLink transmitter for garage door opener. Under the hood, this Cherokee has a 3.2-liter V6, 271 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 21 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 29 on the highway, and approximately 65% of the tire tread left. Don't forget about that Chrysler Group certification, protecting your investment. For more information, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.